Hi guys, so I've had this design on for a week and it is now time to take the gel polish off. This is the Madam Glam gel polish remover, which was also sent to me for review. Put it up that way. So this is what it looks like. So it does have a kind of thickness to it, that is perfectly normal. Now what I'm going to do is file the top coat off my nail, and then we apply this and wait for 5 minutes while it peels the gel polish off. So I just wanted to give you a quick update of where we're at so far. Let me zoom in. So it does say it takes about 5 minutes. I want to say this has been about 3 minutes and it is, say, starting to kind of peel away and lift there. I may not have done a thick enough coat, but I'm going to give it another couple of minutes and then we'll try scraping it off. And if I didn't do it right on this one, that's fine. We'll try another nail just to see. I might not have done it thick enough. I think that's been about 5 minutes now. I really should have timed this before I did it. But we're just going to use the a cuticle pusher now and see how this looks coming off, or if I didn't do the coat thick enough. Okay, so I would say that I didn't quite do the coat thick enough, but that's alright. This is how you learn. So that was my first try of ever using this. So I'm just going to do a few of these other nails. I'm going to just file buff these ones, and then I'm going to apply it over all 4, and then it'll get down. But as you can see, like, it was working. It was starting to crumble it away. I just didn't do it thick enough the first time. So we will try again. So that is the gel polish now removed from both hands. So what are my final thoughts on this? I went in a little bit worried, I'll be honest, because it kind of freaks you out, the fact that this kind of like dissolves it, but I mean at the same time it is just essentially doing the same as a bottle of acetone. So the plus side to it is you're not wasting acetone on it, you're not wasting cotton pads, tin foil, etc. It basically does the same job as what acetone does. And as you can see, there's no damage to my natural nails underneath. There was no burning or anything as this product was working. I certainly found that as I got a bit more confident in using it, I was doing it much better on my second hand, just basically because I was doing it thicker like you're supposed to. I got a bit more liberal with it. So yeah, I will leave a link below to Madame Glam. There's also a discount code as well if you do want to buy anything on the website.